Welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today in chapter 21 we are going to learn use of to, also, as well. These three short words to, also and as well are used to add information or show that something is similar or shared between people or things. They help you sound natural, polite and fluent in both casual and formal communication. Number 1, to. To is used for emphasizing addition, usually at the end. To means in addition or also. It's most often used at the end of a sentence. Here we have number 1. Use 1. Add something to the same subject. I like pizza. I like burgers too. He is coming too. They went to the beach and we did too. Use 2 after auxiliary verbs. I can sing. She can too. We will come. They will too. Tip for modern use. To is very common in texting, chatting and speaking. I am tired too. I loved that movie too. Here we have two example table. Sentence type. Statement. I play guitar. He plays too. Modal verbs. She can drive. I can too. Emotional use. I feel sad too. Modern chat. You are funny too. Affirming others type of sentence. Example sentence. You love K-dramas? Me too. Number 2, also. Also is more formal or emphatic. Also means the same as to, but it's usually used in more formal or written contexts and placed in the middle or beginning of the sentence. Use number 1, middle of the sentence. I also like coffee. He also speaks French. They also joined the club. Use number 2, start of the sentence. Also, I need the help with my homework. Also, don't forget your appointment. Modern tip. Also sounds smarter in writing emails, essays, news, but is used in speech too. Here is a table using also in different sentence placements and contexts. Mid sentence, after auxiliary, start of sentence, business tone, take context. Mid sentence. I also want to go, after auxiliary. He has also applied for the job, start of sentence. Also, we should plan the meeting, business tone. I also agree with your decision. Take context. This app also works offline. Number 3, as well. Like to, but slightly more formal. As well as like to. As well is similar to but more polite or neutral in tone. It's usually placed at the end of the sentence. Use number 1, same position as to. I like the movie as well. She is going as well. We'll bring snacks as well. Modern tip. As well feels softer than to and is used in emails or polite speech. We have table for as well, using as well in different sentence forms. Simple sentence, polite tone, grouping, email style use, business context. Simple sentence. Example sentence. He loves painting as well. Polite tone. Thank you, I'll come as well. Grouping. The manager and the staff as well agreed. Email style use. Please send your ID as well. Business context. We offer design services as well. Comparison chat. To versus also versus as well. Position, formality and example. Informal. I like music too. More formal. I also like music. Neutral or formal. I like music as well. Here you have practice time now. Choose the correct word to, also or as well. From understanding the whole chapter, then you have to put in these 5 sentences in the blanks left here. To, also or as well. And you have answer key here as well. For this exercise you have this answer key. Let me read these sentences. Real life communication. Text. I'll join you too. Email. Please find the report attached. I've included the budget as well. Chat. I also finished the book last night.